this. I love this, eh? This is so much like New Zealand. We're on Saint Helena, one of the most isolated places on Earth, and it looks so much like New Zealand. See this stuff here? This is flax. Flax grows everywhere in New Zealand, and it grows everywhere on this island too. It reminds me of home a lot. I had no idea Saint Helena looked like this either. From the boat, it just looks rocky and barren and kind of lifeless. But up here, it's crazy. It's so pretty. It's crazy up here. Go, give us a little swingy. Give us a little demo on the swingy. Oh, nice! After being confined to the space of the boat for 11 days in the middle of the ocean, the cabin fever had finally gotten to us. So we shot off into the mountains for a camping trip, armed with nothing but food, water, a rugby ball, a guitar, sleeping bags, and of course, a mildly undersized tent.
This one's weird in the past, eh? Yeah, that was actually pretty good.
The location was nothing short of remarkable. Rolling hills, green grass, rocky outcrops, and cows grazing all around us. We toughed it out for 2 nights in that valley. To me, it was a well-deserved trip and a nice refresher from the salty rhythm of sea life. Here lies, or here lay, big N man, Napoleon. Napoleon died on this island, but France took his body back, I think 25 years after he died, so they just kind of took his coffin and whatever was left inside it. This piece of land here, France bought back off Saint Helena, so I'm kind of standing in a French territory right now. A little bit of France in Saint Helena in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. I could even go as far as to say I am in France right now. Yeah, I travel. I was camping in Saint Helena this morning and then took a quick little drive. Now I'm in France. Now I'm just gonna walk back to Saint Helena. All in a day's work. On another note though, I am so tired. That tent was getting blown apart last night and I did not sleep well at all. It's horrible. But, you know, that's camping. The world's oldest living land animal just chilling out underneath a feijoa tree.
I've been stealing today. No way.
Wait, Ivan, what is that? What is that?
This is a feijoa. So these, I only thought they were in New Zealand. I've actually opened it, but I only thought they were in New Zealand. But they have one here. I'm having a real taste. Mmm. Oh, that is so good. Oh, tastes like home.
Let me try some.
It's around this time, yeah. It is feijoa season.
Dude, that is such a nostalgic flavour.
Even the skin tastes good.
Mmm.
Just reminds me of home.
Ah. We gotta go give this to Dad.
Yeah.
That really just reminds me
Dude,
of
that's so good. I'm actually
kiwi
gonna eat
fruit.
the skin.
Yeah, I mean the
sweeter
skin.
kiwi fruit.
Bro!
Just that's like
Oh, the skin's really nice.
smash.
That literally does taste like the house.
Yeah.
I think we might be leaving Saint Helena today. Or tomorrow. Depending on weather and food. We need a lot of food for this passage because it's gonna be a long one. No matter what we do, it's gonna be long. Whether we're fast, whether we're slow, it's gonna be a long, long passage. I think it's about 2,300 or 2,100 nautical miles, something like that. I think it's 2,100 nautical miles, but then there's also extra distance on top of that because you're usually having to change course with the wind. It is looking like we are going to be leaving Saint Helena today. Yeah, there's good wind. We probably have enough food. I've really enjoyed it here on Saint Helena. It's so random. This massive island just straight out of nothing. It's beautiful here as well. It's so much like New Zealand. I think I've said that a few times now. Like we found a Feijoa tree yesterday. A Feijoa tree out here in the middle of the Atlantic. I mean, they are originally from South America, which is kind of the next door neighbor from here. But we also have them in New Zealand. We had a big tree back home. And so, yeah, getting to have some Feijoa, that was so nostalgic. Just biting into that thing. Oh, so good. We about to cross the Atlantic. Bro.
That's some of them ask me when me get it from. I do them no it's from creation. I do them no it's from creation.
So we are leaving Saint Helena today, but first I'm going to try and break a world record. Here it comes! Woo! Yeah! Very quickly. Looking good, Ive. Woo! You can do it. Yeah. Halfway. So good. Oh man, that was way harder than I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was gonna throw up for a second. I just came up here and lay straight down. Oh man, my legs are jelly. Oh, already. Animal tamer. Oh, you scared her.
Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville.
Are we filming?
Yes.
Put your torch on.
No.
Put your torch on.
I got
the
that.
torch.
You're so lucky.
Oh, yours went off.